this state of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 on fire, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give it to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 on fire, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, oh, oh. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 on fire, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, oh, oh.
Okay, so I really hoped you enjoyed looking at all those images. I was really surprised how well the Profoto B10 actually went, even particularly when we used the reflector, that magnum reflector, and it did overpower the sun, which I was quite surprised about, and it was actually doing it on less power than what I thought, around about 8 on the unit, and this does go up to 10, so the magnum reflector really does give you that ability to overpower the sun. I had the sun directly behind Rebecca, and it did still expose, so it would work in that scenario, and basically I was quite surprised with that. Overall the light worked fantastic. I did also use it on the continuous light, as you saw, and that was a great feature, having that ability to be able to control the intensity of the light and also the colour. Was also a really great feature in such a small little unit. So overall I think this is going to be a great light to have. It would be a great light to have even if you didn't have other Profoto units, due to its size and the things that this light can do. But obviously due to the fact that I have all the other Profoto lights, this is just going to fit well with what I use. So that's fantastic. Now I've got Vahab here also helped me, and also Quinton both helped me today, and I'd really like to thank them. Obviously Rebecca has done fantastic with the modelling today, and I really appreciate guys that can help me out and assist me like that as well. And so I'll see you all again soon for the next video, guys. Bye for now.
Bye.
All right, so